This is my unboxing of a refurbished iPad Air 4. So as you can see, the only difference between refurbished and the brand new iPad is the box. As you can see, you get a very plain white box with the iPad Air. And down here in the bottom, it says Apple Certified Refurbished. So this is going to be a really special item. I'm really stoked to get this. And all you got to do is just peel off on the side. Get that nice plastic film off. And next up, let us reveal what is inside. So just like a typical normal iPad Air box, you got to kind of shake it a bit loose to get it out of the box. It's giving away. Okay. All right, there we go. Okay. So here's the item itself. iPad Air 4, 64 gigabytes, Wi-Fi only. So if we pick it up here, there's this nice tab, as always. So the unboxing experience is pretty much identical to what you would do if you were to buy this brand new. Here's the peel. The peel, the most satisfying thing about opening the iPad. There's my peel. Take off the sides a little bit, open it up, and right there, this is an iPad 4 refurbished. Now the great thing about these things is first, they come with the full 1-year Apple Limited warranty. They come with the same return policy of 14 days. And also when they go ahead and refurbish these, they make it so that they replace the outer shell. So this outer shell should have 0 defects, no nicks, no scratches, nothing. And from what I can see from it so far, there is nothing wrong with this iPad. The only difference between refurbished and a brand new iPad is the price. So you can save at least $80 on this system right here. And I've always loved buying refurbished products. Basically, I've had 10 Apple MacBooks ever since 2003. And I would say at least 5 of them have been refurbished. So in the case of the MacBooks, they're all very, they're packaged like just the same like this, but in a simple plain box. But at the same time, it looks absolutely and feels absolutely brand new. So that's why I completely am in love with refurbished products. If I can buy something refurbished, I will. So that's how I feel about it. This is the iPad 4. And down here in the bottom, we have our documentation, lightning cable or USB-C cable, and finally the 20-watt charger. All right, so nothing else is in there. It's a good system. I'm really stoked on it. And yeah, I'm gonna play with it for a little bit. All right, that's about it. Peace.